Hello everyone and welcome back to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you all doing great. Today's recipe is stuffed eggplants with tomato and cheese in a very simple way. I'll show you exactly how to make it step by step. Here I have 2 eggplants that I've washed and dried well. Now I'll cut them in half. Just like this, cut the eggplant lengthwise, keeping the stem. Like this, keeping the top part. Cut it this way, then make shallow cuts across the surface. Make some diagonal lines like this to help it cook evenly. Then make another set of lines in the opposite direction. Here I have a bit of salt and pepper, and I'll add a little oil. Mix the oil, salt, and pepper together. Then brush the eggplants with this mixture. I'll place them in the air fryer, and if you don't have one, bake them in the oven at 200°C for about 30 minutes. It usually takes around 10 minutes in the air fryer since it cooks faster than the oven. Now while the eggplants are cooking, let us prepare the tomato sauce. We'll make a simple, delicious tomato sauce. After placing the eggplants in the air fryer, if you don't have one, you can still use the oven for the same amount of time. Now, I'll add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, or any oil you prefer. Then add 2 small garlic cloves. If they read big, just use one. Next, add about 300 grams of tomato sauce. It is better to use ready tomato sauce because it gives a richer flavor. Now I'll add a bit of basil, just a small amount. Let it simmer for a few minutes until the sauce thickens slightly. Add a pinch of salt, not too much, since we're only using 300 grams of tomato. If you don't have ready-made sauce, you can use fresh tomatoes instead. Just add half a teaspoon of sugar to balance the acidity. Then add a little black pepper. Let the sauce cook for about 6 to 7 minutes until it is ready. Once done, turn off the heat and let it rest. My tomato sauce is ready now, so I'll remove the garlic cloves. After the eggplants are cooked, they took around 12 minutes in the air fryer. I'll mash the inside gently like this. They're perfectly cooked. If you're reusing the oven, heat it at 200 C as mentioned. Now I'll add the tomato sauce I prepared earlier. I'll divide the mixture into 4 portions, since I have 4 halves. For the air fryer, I used 200 C for about 12 minutes total. Here I have a bit of time. I also have about 100 grams of chicken breast, cut into very small pieces. I sautéed them with a little salt, oil, and pepper. This step is optional. You can skip it if you prefer a vegetarian version. I just wanted to make it a bit heartier. That way, the stuffed eggplant is more filling and nutritious. The chicken pieces are cut very small. Now add the cheese on top. Garnish with black olive slices, or whole olives if you prefer. Now place them back in the air fryer for another 5 minutes. Then we'll check out the final result together. And here is the final look of our stuffed eggplants. They look amazing and taste even better. Give this recipe a try, you'll love it. It is unique, easy, and full of flavor. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and click the bell to get all our latest recipes. See you in the next video.